Hello, this is 114K and I'm back with another glitch video. I have been given a modded account from an official website which I will be giving away. So if we have 200 likes on this video, I'll be giving that to a random comment down below. So like the video, comment down below, and I'll be choosing one of you to win a modded account. And since it's from an official website, you can choose which platform you want the modded account on: PC, Xbox, PS4, whatever you play on. So comment down below and like the video, and when we hit 200 likes I'll be picking a winner. And for the last giveaway I had in the last video, the winner has been chosen and I've sent him a DM and he has answered, so we're good on that one. And for this glitch there's 100% chance that you will get money, because this one needs preparation. As you can see on the screen, I have millions, and that's just from doing this glitch a couple of minutes. So let's get right into the glitch. The first thing you want to do is go to this location on the map, which I have pinned right here. Just drive to that location and I'll be showing you step 2. I could start making more online glitches, but then you have to comment down below if you want them or not. Because I'm really enjoying story mode glitches right now, because they can't be patched. But if you want online videos and online glitches, just comment down below and I'll be changing to online. So once you're here, just start blowing up the place. And then you want to blow up yourself, because you need to wait a while for the stock market to change. So once you respawn, just pull up your phone, go to the internet, money and services, and just LCN. Then you want to find the bean one, this one, and just buy. And since we did prepare for it with blowing up the store, this will be guaranteed. So there we go, confirm, and out of the internet again, and just blow yourself up again. There is an option to the blowing up of yourself. You can just go home to your house and sleep instead. But then you have to drive the entire way home. So I recommend just blowing yourself up. As you can see, there's already a little bit of profit. Then just blow yourself up again. Okay, so let's check the market again. Go to the internet, money and service, LCN. It's up to 0.9 already. So I'm blowing up myself again. You shouldn't do this for too long, just a couple of times. Because if you do this for too long, the money is gonna go down again. So you can't wait too long. And as you can see, it went down again. But I'm just gonna sell here. So don't wait too long. I made 4 million. Just go to the bean store, blow it up, blow yourself up, and then invest in the bean market. And just wait a couple hours or explode yourself again. And then you will have billions. It's as easy as that. So don't forget the modded account giveaway. Just comment down below and comment 114K squad and I'll be shouting you out. And here's the squad from the last video. So yeah, if you wanna be featured on the video, just comment 114 squad. So leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe, and I'll be back with another glitch soon.